much, y'all. Are y'all enjoying yourselves so far? Good, because I am too. Not a lick of dynamite, not a stick of clay. Over and over, hear 'em say that it don't matter if I'm hurt. I'm still a few bricks too shy. I met a sharp suit just squeezing his head. Soon as I asked, his eyes turned red. Said he met her and he loved her, left her shoes behind. You know what they say about a brother from another mother. I can't wait to get my sister undercover, my sister, the one I've been searching for all this time. Had a sideliner, a celebrity son. He had the insecurities of all the greatest ones. He'd had her and he loved her. Found her shoes in his daddy's room. I met a girl who danced for the ogle and herd. Her man it up in Cheetahwood, the dirty talking firebird. Begged her, she came back till she found shoes under his bed. You know what to say about a brother from another mother. I can't wait to get my sister undercover, my sister, the one I've been searching for all this time. You know what to say about a brother from another mother. I can't wait to get my sister undercover, my sister, the one I've been searching for all this time. How we don't die, how we just stick it on pain. How we don't die, how we just stick it on pain. How we don't die, how we just stick it on pain. How we just stick it on pan. Insects howling righteously, use hairs to hear me, even in love with you. Pine wood on my Bastille, walls close in, I guess just to get close to you. How many other crackling heads, current reversed, are now working in search of you? Chipped a tooth in a snake oil booth, trying to sell stark visions of hell to you. Gotta lift, gotta take third shift, turn the radio off and get lost in my thoughts of you. Soul suckers in sacked out cities, I spend most of my moments looting homes for gifts for you. I emerge with the world's greatest urge, not to pray or kill a screw, it's just to know. Say about a brother from another mother. I can't wait to get my sister undercover, my sister, the one I've been searching for all this time. You know what they say about a brother from another mother. I can't wait to get my sister undercover, my sister, the one I've been searching for all this time. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. Thanks, y'all. I raise my glass to you.